Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Magic Bullet is probably one of the most popular and versatile personal blenders on the market, known for its compact size and surprisingly powerful motor that quickly transforms fruits, vegetables, and nuts into delicious smoothies, dips, and sauces, making healthy eating convenient and enjoyable. In this video, we will explore its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right blender for your kitchen. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. This is the Magic Bullet Blender, your all-in-one solution for quick and easy food preparation. It's small, powerful, and comes with everything you need to get started. Let's take a look at what's included: a powerful motor base, multiple cups, lids, and even a recipe book. Everything is designed for convenience and ease of use. It chops, blends, mixes, whips, and grinds with ease. Its 250-watt motor handles any task, from smoothies to sauces. The cups are made of durable, high-impact plastic, built to last. They're perfect for creating your favorite meals and snacks on the go. With the included recipe book, you'll find tons of inspiration for quick and delicious dishes. It's the perfect way to explore new culinary possibilities. For extra smooth blends, especially with vegetables, simply add half a cup of water. It's that easy. What we like? It comes with everything you need to get started, including a recipe book. Its powerful motor handles various tasks with ease. If you're new to blending and want a complete kit with simple recipes, this is perfect for you. What people say? Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, yet it's powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks. From smoothies and sauces to chopping vegetables, this blender does it all with ease. Just load your ingredients, twist on the blade, and blend directly in the same cup. The included cups and lids make it super convenient for on-the-go use, and cleanup is a breeze since the components are dishwasher safe. The set includes multiple cups and lids, so they can blend, store, and take smoothies on the go. It's also great for prepping sauces, dips, and even grinding coffee beans. Number 4. Magic Bullet Blender. This is the Magic Bullet Blender, your new kitchen companion. It's small, powerful, and perfect for quick and easy blending, mixing, and chopping. With its high-torque motor, it effortlessly handles a wide variety of recipes. Create delicious sauces, dips, smoothies, and more in seconds. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and pop the cups in the dishwasher. It's that easy. It comes with everything you need: a powerful motor base, multiple cups, lids, and even a handy recipe guide. You'll be amazed at what you can create. The cross blade is made of stainless steel, and the cups are BPA-free and super durable. It's built to last. We're confident you'll love your new blender. That's why it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Enjoy. What we like? Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse and load the dishwasher. It's built to last with durable, BPA-free materials. If you value convenience and durability and want peace of mind, this is the one for you. What people say? Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, yet it's powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks. From smoothies and sauces to chopping vegetables, this blender does it all with ease. Just load your ingredients, twist on the blade, and blend directly in the same cup. The included cups and lids make it super convenient for on-the-go use, and cleanup is a breeze since the components are dishwasher safe. The set includes multiple cups and lids, so they can blend, store, and take smoothies on the go. It's also great for prepping sauces, dips, and even grinding coffee beans. Number 3. Magic Bullet Kitchen Express. It's the all-in-one solution for your kitchen needs. Save time and effort with this versatile appliance. It boasts a powerful 250-watt motor. Quickly switch between food processor and personal blender functions. With its many attachments, it can chop, mix, slice, shred, and blend. The included recipe guide will inspire you. It's designed for everyday use and is compact and easy to store. Plus, most parts are top-rack dishwasher safe. You'll receive a motor base, work bowl, food pusher, various blades, cups, a to-go lid, and a recipe guide. Everything you need to get started. It's made with high-quality stainless steel blades and BPA-free plastic. Always refer to the user manual before use. It's built to meet North American and Canadian electrical safety standards for your peace of mind. What we like? It's incredibly versatile, switching from a food processor to a blender in seconds. The larger capacity is great for bigger batches. If you need a multifunctional appliance that's easy to clean, this is ideal. What people say. As someone who is renting with not a ton of kitchen space, this is an awesome space-saving blender. The food processor is very powerful, and the blade design does an excellent job at consistent chopping. I've used the slicer and shredder multiple times and I'm super happy with it as well. It is comparable or even better than a full-size kitchen food processor. The processor is compact and easy to keep on the counter, perfect for small jobs like chopping vegetables for salads and salsas, shredding cheese, etc. The blender is as convenient as ever. Number 2. Impresa Magic Bullet Organizer. It's designed to perfectly fit all your Magic Bullet accessories, from cups to lids. This space-saving rack accommodates both tall and short items, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets. This hanging organizer provides a compact storage solution for your bulky blender cups, preventing scratches and damage. It frees up valuable space and keeps everything within reach. No more searching for lids or cups. It keeps everything you need right at your fingertips, making your morning smoothie prep a breeze. Save time and enjoy a smoother start to your day. This pack includes 2 durable plastic organizers, each holding 3 cups and 6 lids or rims. Mount them under your cabinets or on the counter for maximum space efficiency and quick access to your accessories. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and stick it where you want it. The built-in end stops prevent items from falling out, making it easy to install and use. What we like? This keeps your blender accessories organized and easily accessible. The 2-pack is perfect for larger families or those with lots of Magic Bullet attachments. If you're looking for a simple way to declutter your kitchen, this is a must-have. What people say. They seem well made and I think they will stand up to some abuse from frequent use. This makes it so much better. I didn't want to hang my colored rings on the little hooks, so I tried to break one of the hooks off. It was super easy. If you want to use the hooks, of course, you won't want them to break. But since I don't want to use them, I am very happy they came off so easily. I removed them all and was able to hang these close together inside my cupboard. It's really easy to slide them off when you need them. I've had it up on the wall for about a month and a half and it stays up really well. Great idea. Number 1. Magic Bullet MBR 1701P. Get ready to experience the ultimate kitchen convenience. This versatile tool will quickly become your go-to for all your food preparation needs. It's made from BPA-free plastic and stainless steel, ensuring it will stand the test of time. You can count on it for years of reliable use. With 17 sharp blades, it effortlessly chops, slices, shreds, and purees a wide variety of ingredients. Say goodbye to tedious food prep. From vegetables and fruits to nuts and cheese, it handles it all with ease. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze. It's completely dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort. At just 12.5 inches wide, it's perfect for small kitchens and easy to store. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like? It boasts a wide array of attachments and powerful blades for various food preparation tasks. Cleaning is a snap thanks to its dishwasher-safe design. If you need a comprehensive set for all your culinary needs, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Great for smoothies. Drink out of the mixing cup so cleanup is easy. Blade base just rinses clean. All-around great blender that takes up little space and is surprisingly powerful for the size. It has a nice weight and the plastic cups feel sturdy. I regularly drop the cups and they haven't cracked. It only uses 128 watts on my portable power station. My wife and I bought this specifically for making protein shakes and smoothies, and that's exactly what the Magic Bullet provides. It's extremely quick to clean and takes up very little counter space. The best part is the simplicity of the product. You're making the shake or smoothie directly in the container you drink from. Just flip it back right side up and remove the blender piece and screw on the ring around the rim. For the blending ability of the Magic Bullet, It's not as good as a regular-sized conventional blender, but for the size it's more than capable of blending ice and frozen fruit without issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.